Hello, beautiful friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I share with you the simple Ghana garden egg stew or eggplant stew. Let's get right into it. To a boiling water, I'll add in my cut up aubergine. Aubergine is the large purple shaped eggplant. I'll cover it and allow it to boil for about 15 minutes or until it is tender. I'll check with a fork if it is cooked. I'll remove it from flame and then strain the water. To a pan, I'll add in palm oil. This is about a cup of palm oil which I've melted, and then I'll add in my salted tilapia or koobi. You can as well use fermented fish or momoni, and then I'll allow this to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll then come in with my sliced onion. I have both red and yellow onion. I'll give it a good mix and allow this to fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'll add in my blended onion, garlic, ginger, habanero, pepper, and then I'll give it a mix. I'll allow this to fry for about 7 minutes. Then I'll add in my geisha. This is 2 cans of geisha. I'll use my wooden spoon to break it up. Give it a quick mix, cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. At this point in time, I'll add in my sliced tomatoes. You can as well use tomato paste for this recipe. I'll give it a quick mix and allow it to fry for about 10 minutes. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. I appreciate you. God bless you all. I'll then add in my beaten eggs. This is about 5 beaten eggs. I'll add it into the stew. Leave it for about 5 minutes before stirring. I made this quick stew for my brother and his wife who was visiting for the weekend, and they were really in love with the stew. I'll now add in my Onga shrimp tablets. I'll give it a good mix and then I'll allow the stew to fry for about 5 minutes. I'll now add in my cooked eggplant. This is how I always add it to my stew, especially when I'm using the aubergine. It will mash inside the stew as I continue to stir. I'll season it with salt to taste. I'll allow it to fry for about 10 minutes and then I'll garnish it with my green habanero pepper for more flavor. You can as well throw in some onions too. Yes, be creative with your stew. Guys, I tell you, the stew was so delicious and my guests really enjoyed themselves. We enjoy the stew with some boiled yam. You can as well enjoy this with some rice, yes, or some plantains or even potatoes. We have to enjoy this with avocado. Absolutely. Avocado has to represent it. And I couldn't end the video without showing you my guests enjoying this delicious eggplant stew. I also enjoyed it myself. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.